are you doing? Oh, I'm just building this house. Oh, okay. Dinner time. Coming. Hey, what was that for? Well, I just had some delicious smash burgers. Well, the burgers weren't the only thing that smashed. Hey, what'd you do to my house? I don't know. I can't fix it. Seriously? You had to break my house? It took me 3 days to build it. I don't know what you're talking about. Yes, you do. Recognize that? Whatever. Oh, look! It's red for subscribe. Yeah, right. How about we all hit it together? On 3, 2, 1. Did you hit it? Well, I hope so. Well, how about we go to the ingredients? They're this way. So, what are we making today? The BA Smash Burger. So, let's start by heat a cast iron griddle or large heavy skillet over medium high until very hot, about 2 minutes. Then lightly brush with vegetable oil. Divide ground beef into 4 equal portions. Do not form patties. Working in batches if needed, place portions on griddle and smash flat with a spatula to form 4 diameter patties. Season liberally with salt and cook, undisturbed until outer edges are brown, about 2 minutes. Flip patties by... So most people would think you just put the spatula under the patty normally, like you would an egg, but it's better if you flip it over to have it shear off. Like this. After you flip the patty, season with salt and place a slice of cheese on top of each patty. Cook until cheese droops and burgers are medium rare, about 1 minute. Serve patties on rolls with ketchup, mayonnaise, lettuce, and pickles. Make sure to toast the rolls beforehand. You can do this on the stove or in the toaster. Now, if you want a sauce for it, we can use the special sauce.
To make the special sauce, simply combine the ingredients for the special sauce, which are listed in the ingredient and here, put them in a medium bowl and then serve with the burgers. If you can't find the canned chipotle chilies and adobo sauce, you can generally look at good supermarkets or specialty food stores in Latin markets. Smash burger time! Smash burger time!
Go in special sauce.
Yes, don't forget to add your toppings. If you made the special sauce, you can use that.
If you want it.
If you want it. Then I want some pickles. Pickles. And we're gonna try it. Okay.
Wait, I need to smash it more.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Mmm.
Delicious.
Mmm. Best smash burgers I've had in a long time.
Same here. Please make sure to like,
comment, and
subscribe. So why don't you go home and try it, and then make sure to tag us on Instagram or Facebook when you make it, or comment down below to make sure that we know that you have made one of our meals, and we can't wait to see you next time. Bye. Enjoy.